Let me see these though. So these are what? Okay. China line.
China Hobby Line, but it's a new line they have called
Mini Star. Where you get them from?
The original website.
Okay, I gotta check these
$7.
out for $7.
Oh my God.
How much shipping? Oh, dang, sound good.
It's a US warehouse. I think it was
Show
like
these
$3
on the camera so they can see these.
Yeah, they're good.
3S.
I got one left. I'll plug the leader in.
Yo, but look at my leader though. It's called the Innov 110. I mean Innov 120, but it got like Sunny Sky 1106 8,000 kV motors on it. I can't even fly it with a 2S.
Really?
It gotta take a 3S. I don't know if those would be able to hold it, man, because I gotta fly. Look, I've been flying with this.
That's too big for that.
It seemed like it, but it lifts it no problem.
Yeah, but it's on the heavy side.
Yeah, but when I fly something lighter, it cut out.
Really?
Yeah, it's crazy. I don't know what it is. It got 28.
Oh yeah, these are bigger motors. These are like 4S
Yeah, these bigger.
motors.
Yeah.
3 to 4S.
So I can.
It's an 1106.
Yeah, it's 1106. 1106 8,000 kV.
1104.
I had to put these little props on it because when I put some big props on it, it was cutting out.
1104s can do 2 to 3. 1105s are in between, and then 1106s, I think they're on the 3 to 4S side.
I think it depends on the kV too, because I got some 1104s that do 4S. Yep, on the Lizard clone. The Lizard.
Yeah.
I think the Lizard could take a 4S too. But the kV is like real low. It's 6,000 kV. I only flew this one time like that, but it took off though with this heavy battery. So I'm about to.
I mean, it has powerful enough motors, but it's power to weight. It's on the heavier side.
I think if I had the regular props that the leader have on it, with that, it'll really lift it easy because
yeah, they're bigger.
Because of how easy it lifts it with this.
John, you just fucked.
I just killed him.
He just killed you. Killed you. Where you at?
I'm all the way in the tree.
You're up in the tree?
No.
Oh, okay. Dang, my bad, man.
I think I need to focus my time a little better.
Jamal, I'm gonna try the goat now.
Yeah, I'll wait till y'all.
It's the 50-55.
Oh,
The
go.
Hokies.
Oh, let me see.
You want your chameleon? You shouldn't be picking nobody up. I'm not even plugged in. You picking up Angel?
I'm not plugged in. That's Angel plugged in.
Yeah, Angel's the only one plugged in right now.
Your goggles aren't.
Okay, if they're in the side, back up now, sir.
Jamal, you think this motor gonna pop out of the off the housing right here?
Why, you don't got no C-clip in it?
I already got 2 screws on here.
Oh.
These other 2, the motor got ripped out of here when I put it on the BL Heli suite. And like it just like went crazy.
You probably should put it diagonal.
I know I would, but these 2 are the ones that stripped.
Oh. You Loctite them?
Of course not. Why would I do that, right? No, I had it on the bench and I was I had a BL Heli suite and I was trying to reverse these 2 motors. And you know, I said, oh, I got the props on, you know, I'm just gonna do this real quick. You know, and that's when the shit happens, you know, when you try to do something real quick. Yeah. You know, it just spent up like crazy. It hit the ground, it was like full throttle. Like, and I stepped on it on the ground, but it was, you know, it was still going, and then like this whole joint just popped out. Oh man. And these 2 screws got stripped, so I don't know. I'm gonna see if it's a
No, I need a SD card.
SD card?
Yeah. Anybody got an SD card? Huh?
I don't have one on me, no.
You got one, Jay? An SD card?
Oh, no. I need some tech so I can tie this fucking battery. Get in there. Yo, you want a data flight over there from over there?
Say it again?
You want a data flight over there from over there? In the cemetery? Long range?
Go ahead.
What's the cemetery fly?
Long range flight?
It's over there? The cemetery's over there? Oh, yeah. I never been over there.
We can stand over there where he at. It's like inline inside. You don't look big or nothing.
Now what?
I already tried it.
Yo, these cops are the new shit.
And they look crazy, the video that you shoot through them thing, then you go under cemetery, then you shoot through them thing again, come in the car, fly all the way over there, then fly all the way down the cemetery. When you look at the video, you like to find one.
Hulky 5055s.
Don't tell me you broke something, so you always break something.
I didn't break anything.
You got a weird luck.
I was like, damn it.
You got the worst luck
Keep
ever.
hoping
Every
I
time we
broke
come to
something.
fly, one soft scratch and you end up breaking it. I mean,
Look at that. The camera's over.
how did I get this shit out? This shit. Yo, if you're not flying in the cemetery, at least try to give me 5 minutes.
Yo, one gate is bad.
Angel, are you getting any breakup on your feet at all?
Just missed that. It's crazy to do that today, Andy.
All those ghost branches in there.
Oh, it's worse than you think. It's bad in there.
Oh, my bad.
You landed right in front of me.
Oh, damn. The camera tilt is real bad on this. This at 45, so I have to fly at 45. Otherwise, I'll fly like this.
it
and
won't be the
this will
same.
looking up.
Yeah.
So you're on 57 what? 60?
71.
Okay. You are on John's channel. Oh damn. John.
Yeah.
Don't plug in. So you and Jamal are sharing channel.
Look, this the heavy battery though. Watch this.
Well, no, you. Yeah, but you have them strong motors. I thought you have 1104s.
Man, that shit even blow the ground when it
Man, that's crazy.
One chop of it.
Yeah, that's crazy.
That's like a whistle.
That is crazy.
Something weird.
Look, it didn't even turn back on.
Flip it down?
It just went, yeah, I guess.
I think it might be too powerful.
Yeah, I'm ready to take those motors off of there, man.
Yeah, your frame is not made for 1106s. I don't think it is.
Yo, they had 3-inch props on there, and the 3-inch props don't even fit. Yeah, I don't know what's up with this joint, man. This joint weird. Yeah, it's a 3S, but it's an 850 milliamp hour battery. What I'm gonna do, I think I'm gonna take the motors off it, because the motors is real powerful. When I use like a regular 2S battery and some regular props, it suck all the juice from the receiver. Because I notice whenever I throttle up, my receiver light goes off.
Oh damn.
You know,
that's
but
crazy.
when I use a big battery like this, that's the only time it don't happen.
Okay.
I was wondering if I because this receiver runs off a 3.3 volts. So I was thinking if I go to a 5-volt pad instead, like use FR Sky instead of
What is that?
this DSMX.
Okay.
I'm gonna put the 3S so you can see the 3S on this.
All right, yeah.
Look at this bill.
Nice. What's this? A Ghost? Yo, I was. You know who this is? RC Addict's frame, right?
Yeah.
Yo, I was about to get one of these.
We got it too. We got
That's where I got the 55 on it. 50,
I was about to get one, yo, because.
We build them together like the same weed and everything.
Okay. Yeah, I'm about to get one because I got that Fire Dancer joint with the Trans-Tech Lightning frame. You know what that look like? I crashed that joint into a pole full speed, yo. And it broke the frame. So I said I'm gonna get me another frame. So I went on Amazon and I saw this Ghost Mode 2 Ghost frame. And so I was like, dang, I should get that. And it said RC Addict. So I said, oh, that's the young boy. I'm going to get his frame, you know what I mean? Put it on here.
I don't know why mom.
So that's ill, y'all got it on here.
Look, they the same shit. And look at this one.
What motors are those?
And look at this one. It's hitting the thing right there.
Oh, but his don't.
His don't. I mean, it will hit it if he put this thing up like I do.
I got 50-55s.
Yeah, but my prop, they're
Why?
touching that shit. I don't know why.
Oh, snap. But those he fly with that. With the same prop, he fly with those.
Yeah, I fly with this
no,
one.
No,
oh, no,
RC Addict flies
yeah,
with the 50-51. These are the new ones that came off. These
and
new
they should
props.
fit in that. I think they won't even fit in here too.
These new props are crazy.
It fly with no problem, no isolation.
Yeah, I think that's what I'm gonna throw that all of them parts on.
We just built it differently. He got his BTS sitting on top of the flight controller. So since I got a whole stack with the Day5 flight controller, the Pro one, with the ESCs and everything, I just put like this thing on top.
Yo, this morning I was about to order it on. I said I'm gonna order it but my YouTube money ain't dropped in. Oh, go ahead. Oh yeah, that's nice.
And that one kind of nice. I think this one sounds better than the one you have, but the one you have sounds whistling like it's problem.
Oh yeah, cause I got these little tiny props on it. He got the gym fans on it.